Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version. This matters because iOS handles external audio differently. Once done, plug a quality USB-C to Lightning or USB-C digital audio adapter into the iPhone. Make sure the adapter supports USB audio class. Power the microphone or adapter if it needs external power, then open voice memos to verify the mic is detected. If you don't see input levels, reseat connections, and check that apps have mic permission enabled. Next, you configure the app you'll use, camera, GarageBand, Zoom, or a dedicated recorder, and choose the external input when the option exists, because some apps default to the internal mic. Then set a suitable sample rate and gain, typically 44, 1 to 48 kHz, and adjust input trim on the microphone or adapter to prevent clipping. Make sure you monitor with headphones. This helps you hear latency and confirm levels stay below 0 decibels. If there's latency, try a different app or lower buffer size. To finish, position and secure the microphone, use a windscreen for outdoor work, and lock exposure and focus in the camera app to avoid distractions during recording. You should record a brief test clip and listen for sync, gain consistency, and unwanted noise. If everything sounds clean, proceed. If you encounter problems, reboot the iPhone, update iOS, swap adapters or cables, and retest. These steps solve most compatibility or handshake issues. If persistent, try another app to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.